Hello, everyone. I'm Elsa from INNOSS Tech Lab. Do you know that diversification is key to successful investments? But how can you achieve diversification in the Forex market? Today, I want to share with you how you can accomplish this with our Forex EA. Firstly, why is diversification so important? It helps us reduce risk and balance returns. Imagine if you only invest in a single currency pair. If that pair encounters problems, you might suffer significant losses. However, by investing in multiple currency pairs, even if one faces issues, others can still generate profits, balancing overall risk. This is where INNOSS Tech Labs EA comes into play. It not only automates your trading, but also searches for the best investment opportunities across multiple currency pairs. You just need to set your investment goals and risk tolerance, and our EA can take care of the rest. Furthermore, as the market changes, our EA adjusts its strategies to ensure your investments are always in the best possible position. This way, even if you're not a Forex expert, you can easily achieve diversification in the Forex market. To help you better understand our product, we've also prepared some trial opportunities. Interested friends can contact us. So, for better investing, why not give diversification a try with the assistance of INNOSS Tech Labs EA? Thank you, everyone.